Today we are going to talk about the cleaning of the easydrain unit. The patient was laying down, they had an episode, now you need to clean it. First of all, you need to have your gloves on, since you are going to be dealing with body fluids, that's the urine. First thing you are going to do is to take off the top cover, which the urine went through. I'm going to take it out, and this is going to go to the laundry. So that's going to go to the laundry. Now you're going to clean this part here. Probably it will be easier if you raise the bed up a little bit, so it's easier for your back. That's good for me. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to get soapy water, brush here, and a washcloth. You're going to pour the soapy water onto this and gently scrub it, and then pour the water, generous amount of soapy water, and make sure the urine is washed down, and then scrub it really good, all corners. Make sure every corner is clean, and then you will take clean water and rinse it. Rinse it with clean water. You rinse it good, and then wipe it. All the water will go through the tubules, the collection chamber underneath. If it was too dirty and you wanted to clean the tubules, of course you would use this brush all the way down on all the tubules, and then pour clean water to rinse it down. And then take a dry towel, wipe all the water on the bed, the entire surface, so that the patient has a dry place to lay on. And once that is done, you are going to go to the bottom right here. You are going to disconnect the tank from the funnel. So now you can take the tank and empty it. You take it to the tank. We've cleaned it, it's clean, it's ready to go back. You will take a washcloth and wipe it. If it's soiled, or you think, or you feel that it's a little dirty, you take a antibacterial cleaner of your choice, spray, wipe it down, and you put it back, and then hook the tank back into place, so that the next time the patient goes, the urine goes in there. Now we are done with the cleaning of the unit. It's dry. Clean bed cover from the laundry, fresh from the laundry. Put it on. It's really easy to put on. Very easy. And that bed is ready for the patient to use. If I lay on it,